Hey budget friends, it's Claudine, and guess what I have? My brand new planner for 2025. I'm so excited and I wanted to share this with you as I unbox it for the very first time. I have been using Erin Condren planners for close to 10 years. Actually, this might be my 10th year, 9th year or 10th year. I love them and I love the paper. I have gone through many other planners in an attempt to try to find what they call planner peace. And I just keep coming back to Erin Condren. So I think I've settled on the planner that works the best for me, which is an Erin Condren hourly. So I wanted to share this with you. Let's just go right ahead and open her up. Now, I'm going to be honest, I don't even remember what I ordered. Like, I don't even know what I got because I created a whole bunch of them in the cart and then I deleted all the ones and I only bought one. So this is what it looks like. Love a good tissue paper moment. Oh, I bought some washi tape. I was just telling you guys the other day that my washi tape was really old, and so I bought some new. So that's what this looks like. This is really pretty. I love these. A couple small ones and then some larger pastel colored ones. So lovely. This is Wildflowers, if you wanted to take a look at that. And here she is. So this is, let's see what I can tell you about this. This is, I did customize it. I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay. So this is a custom planner. Now, they all come with this new, I don't know if this is called a dashboard or like bookmark situation, but the old ones just came with like an actual bookmark, sort of like this part here. It had the little coil parts and then a bookmark here with a ruler. But this one comes with an actual stencil, which is really neat because I'm going to enjoy making boxes and circles with this because I'm very bad at drawing a straight line. So this is going to come in very handy. But I also love it because when you put it in, then it's also like a page marker for where you are in the week or in the month. All right, I don't remember what this is called, what this design is called, but I will look it up and tell you. I think the color I got is like a charcoal though, and it looks the same on the back, so really pretty. And the way I like to customize my planners is just with the year. Sometimes I'll put my first name and the year, but lately I've been really into much more minimal sort of look, so I got just the regular year. So this is for 2025. Erin Condren also gives you the option, depending on when you order it, that you can start it in, I think, July, actually, and then go through like July to July, or you can do, or maybe July to June, or you could also do like July all the way through the calendar year. So 18 months. Is that right? I decided I only like a 1 year, 12-month look. One, because I don't want the planner to be too thick, and also that's just how I do it. So my current planner is an hourly Erin Condren. It will go through December, but I will start to pull this out probably in November and start adding things to it as I need to. So the standard coil is on here. I do just get the silver. This comes standard, so you don't have to pay extra. If you wanted rose gold or gold, you could pay extra, or I think black too. They might have black. Okay, and then we've got a little dashboard here in the front, like a dry erase situation. And this little vellum page. I never fill this out. And then, I don't even know, I really should have looked this up before I started filming so I could tell you what I have here. But I will put it into you'll see it on the screen. But this is what I got. So I'll do a little walkthrough for you. We've got the full year laid out here, and it actually starts with July. So in case you're wanting to see what it looks like before you start, because January is way down here. And then we've got, these are little progress each day adds up to big results. Now these are sort of like goal pages, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So one for each month. You could use it that way. however you want. I love that this has a lot of versatility in that there isn't anything that says like when you're supposed to use this. So if this had the months on it or something, that you'd be really locked into using it for months, but you obviously you can use this for anything that you want. There are 12 of these like little boxes. Then just a plain old note page. And then we start here with January. We have a monthly view. And then this is, I think they call this the about page. I honestly can't remember, but it used to be a different page. And then I feel like this is called the about page, something like that. But you kind of do, it's like a gold page. I use it as a gold page, sort of an overview with then a note page beside it. And you go right into the week. So this is the first week of January that actually starts with December 30th. I tend to cover these up. I cover this up down here. I don't really need those, but this is the hourly view. Let me bring it in a little closer so you can see it. So it's got hours that go from 6 a.m. all the way down to 7 p.m. And then there's also like a little extra hour down here if you wanted to use it for an hour. I like to put my meal plans down here though. So that's probably what I'll do. And that's just how this looks. The paper is so nice. It works perfectly with my favorite Frixion erasable pens. Let me pull one out and show you. So these are the ones that I love, the clickable, my favorites. And yeah, so then this is it. You get to the next month. You start again with a monthly overview, your little dashboard, about page, goal page, whatever that is called. Then a note page on the side and starting then right into the week. So love this. And it goes all the way through to December. And then we have note pages after December, which I actually use these a lot. This year, I believe there is an option to add additional pages, like plain note pages. I think you can add like maybe dot grids or like different kinds of pages. And then I think there's also like trackers you can add and stuff, but I didn't add anything. I just got the basic. I didn't even add any note pages. So it comes with just a few note pages, not a ton. And then you've got heritage and awareness observances here with all the different holidays and observances. We've got some name stuff like a address book type of thing. I never use this. Yeah, I don't think I've ever used that. And then this is the next year. So this is 2026. And then we've got some stickers in the back, which I actually don't really use the stickers either. I do love a good sticker moment, but I tend to not use these. I'm not sure why, but they match with the interior. And I do kind of like the foiled ones. So we'll see. And then one of my favorite parts is this pocket little notebook thing in the back. Not notebook, it's just a pocket folder. That's what it is, a folder. And then of course, the obligatory Erin Condren Perpetual calendar. I have had so many of these over the years. I should use them, I never do. But if you're not sure what a perpetual calendar is, it is essentially an it's not undated, but it doesn't have a year. So for example, January, it just goes 1 through 31. And then you can put in dates like birthdays or anniversaries or whatever falls on the same day. So not necessarily a holiday, but like a birthday. So you put those in, and then every year you don't have to get a new one. Every year you just know that like, oh, February 1st, it's my brother's birthday. You know what I mean? So that's what that is, which I love. But I never use it. I don't know why. I should use it. Also, important contacts is in here, and important passwords. Probably would not use that either for the fact that I would lose it, and then all my passwords would be compromised, but somebody might. Then here's another listing of some holidays and dates, which is kind of cool because, again, it's not like... So the ones with the stars, these little asterisk, I don't know how to say that word, but asterisks, whatever those are, the stars, probably are when they fall on a day that's not always the same, like like winter solstice, the first day of winter, is usually either on the 21st or the 22nd. So it has this instead of the actual date. So that's kind of neat to be able to look at that. And then in here, you usually get some discount code or other little, what do you call it? Like little, yeah, so these are discount codes. These cards, I don't know what these are called. I love these though. So I have collected these over the years. Sometimes I use them. I'm going to try to send these to people because I just think they're so darling. They're just like little encouragement cards, little, I don't know what these are called, but this one says, never let go of your dreams. And it's just blank on the back. You could put a little note or not. This one says, do your best with what you've got. And this one says, align action with intention. And I love that so much. So these come free with your order, which is really nice, little gift. So that's it. This is my new planner. I'm super psyched. I'm going to box this back up and I put it under the tree for myself for a Christmas gift. I always buy this for myself. And my husband's always like, okay, you could just buy your planner. That's what you want. And that is what I want. So I always buy it and I don't have to budget for it that way as much. Though I will say Erin Condren has a really good rewards program. And I actually got this one for free because I did my, I want to say like 10th order and I got a free like $50 or $100 gift card, which was so amazing. But I also wanted to go back in and just show you. So this is like, I'll have to put the name of it, but you can see this is, there's no color, there's no like floral. I think last year I got the floral pattern, but this is just a plain, I don't remember what this is called. So again, I'm sorry, I didn't plan this very well, but, I will let you know what this is called in case you like this. If you like to be able to decorate your planner and not have a lot of other visuals getting in the way of whatever theme or stickering that you want to do. And that's what I decided to do this year. I may change my mind about this because it is very, very neutral. Oh, that might be actually what it's called, the neutral palette. But I do love it. I love how this gray looks with the cover and super happy with it. So there you go. This is my planner for 2025. We will be decorating this little one probably starting in January. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for more. And thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one.